Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this tablet. First of all, you need to access Clock app. Then click on Allow in the pop-up and choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. To manage all alarm options, you can click on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Settings. Then adjust all of those however you wish to. In order to create new alarm, tap on this plus icon, set up an hour, and choose Ring Once or Custom. When you click on Custom, you will be able to choose days of the week, in my case Mondays and Wednesdays. When you finished, scroll down, click on Alarm Name, and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then click on this blue icon with a check mark on your keyboard. Now click on Ringtone, choose Allow, and click on Allow one more time. Over here, you can tap on Weather Adaptive to set it up. Click on this device under Custom to pick music from your tablet, in my case this song. Or just select one of those system ringtones by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with house music. Whatever you wish to do, when you're ready, click on the back button. Now tap on Snooze and select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also disable snooze completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and enable it the same way. Tap on the back button, and finally, to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always edit it by clicking on it, making your changes and saving them thanks to the same check mark. In order to switch off your alarm, tap on this switcher next to it. Then pick one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. You can also get rid of it by holding it and selecting Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!